Alrighty, so now we're back on the part two of the training here, guys, that we're doing here. So this is going to be pretty much me going into my other stream of income here as far as um, the program MyEcon. Got a brain freezer. Pretty much MyEcon, guys. That's my main program here. So the first one was Easy One Up. So pretty much Easy One Up is that real-time income. Pretty much it's not a monthly fee or anything like that, guys. It's someone paying for a product and it's over with and it's done, but it's an educational product. So anything that you're going to be involved in as far as online or anything that you plan on wanting to do, you have to learn and have training for that, and that's pretty much what MyEcon does, guys. So all that, buying training from personal people and stuff like that, I never recommend that all the time, simply because they're not going to give you everything if they're a marketer themselves. They're not going to give you all their tips and their secrets, because then they're going to saturate the market. So usually what I always suggest is someone that actually has a program and they pretty much have outsourced, or they pretty much put all the training inside, because they're no longer out marketing their own thing or trying to be a recruiter or someone like that. If anything, they're just recruiting for their own company that has the products that are going to help you. So those are the type of people or programs that I like to deal with. I don't like to deal with anything that's going to take you away from your main program. Okay, now the second company here, so the same pretty much thing works here, and I wanted to talk about was MyEcon. Okay, so MyEcon is a financial literacy company. Pretty much here is teaching you guys how to actually, one of their products is actually repairing your credit. Their main product is called income shifting. Income shifting, where we're actually teaching you how to leverage your 9-to-5 check and utilize that and fill out your W-4 correctly, so now you're able to utilize more allowances to bring home more money on your check. And when you bring home more money on your check, that allows you to either pay off debt or invest that type of money, not blow it off or do anything crazy with it, but at least invest it or pay off debt. So that's pretty much some of the things that we're able to do. Okay, so what I wanted to do, I wanted to get in some of the other products that you guys get here. What you got, the income shifting membership. Okay, so you're going to get our Spark credit repair system. That's going to pretty much, we're going to give you everything you need to pretty much establish, get a 750 on your credit score or above. So if we give you over 26 module and we give you 4 rounds of dispute letters, that you're able to get with that particular program there. So that's the credit 750 credit plan. Let me go in here. We also offer the credit monitoring. So this is everything you're getting here, guys. These are all the modules that you're going to get pretty much. And when you go deeper in these, module 10 might have 1 or 2 to 3 modules on each one. So that's the 750 credit plan. Then there's our ID Defender, pretty much, protecting your credit from the black web, different things, that can just mess up your credit or anything that you're trying to do. You definitely want to protect yourself. The cash flow manager is letting you know exactly, how much cash is in and out, that way for tax purposes, things like that at the end of the year. So that's why we say it's pretty much financial literacy, teaching you guys, how to pretty much get your credit, bring home more money, and just get a piece of America. That's why I love this program, because we're teaching you things that most people don't actually get taught, as far as becoming wealthy, or what to do if you're going to be online, or what to do with that money. So let me just to show you guys here, that they do pay. You might ask, well, Jay, do they pay or anything like that? Guys, I literally get paid with this company every week. I just started it, so it's something that I'm building. I was with another company, another program here, and they've actually changed out the income situation on that, so I had to pretty much change that one up. But now what we're doing here is actually switched it up to financial literacy. So I wanted to kind of show this here, just to show you exactly, just some of the payments here, man, that what I've gotten here so far. Here, just to show you that it's real. Okay, so this was my first payment ever, and these are some of the other payments here that I have received, just to show you they pay out every week, and you can actually get a piece of that. So I wanted to show you another system. Like I said, what we're doing is utilizing the same exact thing. It's just with this particular company and then program. Okay, so right here is a capture page here. So it says, who wants to earn $500 or more daily while raising your credit score to a 750? Okay, there's a cool little enticing video, pretty much in my upline, showing his car and things like that. Just kind of, giving you some brief information. Now, once you enter your name and your number here, you're taken to a page over here where it kind of has a headline, and then it breaks down. MyEcon gives you a full presentation of everything that you're going to get, how you're paid, the commissions, everything pretty much laid out. Okay, the testimonial proof, and if you see here, join MyEcon or get this system. The same exact layout, guys. So that's why I say, if you're at MyEcon or if you're looking to get started, These are some of the things that we do offer to get you going, and this is just a basic way to get things moving for you. Okay, I'm not going to overload you with so many other things right now. Those are going to be other videos, but this is just kind of the basic setup. So then just to let you know what you're going to get. You're going to also get the same message follow-up series. You're going to get everything, so that way when someone enters in their information here, the messages start sending out. Okay, now this is all with the Conversion Pros. Now there's going to be another system that we want to look into, which this is a done for you system here, where you can only promote pretty much MyEcon. You can't promote anything else, only MyEcon, and that's going to be the Income Shift Pro system. So the Income Shift Pro system only promotes MyEcon, and this is a done for you system. So we're going to log in here, and this is the capture page for Income Pro. They have multiple ones, but this is one that I have, and I'm just going to give you an overview. Okay, so once someone enters their information, it's the same thing. Setup, capture page. Once they enter in their information, they're going to be taken here, and it's going to go to this system here. Now, this is no bridge page where you can do any of that. This is everything automatically done for you. So it's a full presentation of everything. Now, if you click the button, same exact thing. Step 1, sign up for MyEcon. Step 2, sign up for the system. So if you look at all of my systems that we have set up, it's the same exact way, except one, I'm able to customize and build it to the way that I prefer to build it, and the other one, I can only utilize what they have in place for me. Now, this is the difference between the done for you system. So you get trainings as well, but you can kind of see all of the training that you had got compared to what I was offering. Okay, I mean what I was actually speaking about as far as the Conversion Pro system goes. So this is a real good done for you system where it actually breaks everything down the same exact way, guys. So one other thing here, when you're dealing with something like this here, you might say, well, Jay, can I do the same thing? Let's just go over here. I'm going to go to MLM Leads, and I'm going to have a link at the bottom for this. So MLM Leads. We already went over the Conversion Pros in the last video. We want to go over MLM Leads now, okay? MLM Leads is a place that you can actually buy traffic from and send and give them your page, and they're going to link people to your page. So if you're in MyEcon and you're on my downline, this is a way for you to get traffic directly. So I'm going over some simple things. If you don't want to build anything, you don't want to do anything, get this particular system. It's already laid out. You're going to pretty much plug all your username and information in, and it's going to set everything up. You're going to grab this link here, and you're pretty much going to go buy some traffic. Okay, so you're going to go to prep, you're going to go to web, you're going to go to it's going to be web traffic because we're using web traffic. So web traffic here is where you can go purchase some leads from. Okay, so once everything pulls up here, I'm going to show you some prices. Okay, so 40 clicks is $47. So you're pretty much saying you're going to get 40 clicks. Not saying that they're going to be leads. These are people, so man, I want to make sure that they opt in. That's the difference between leads and clicks. So that's why I said Conversion Pros give you leads, and these are going to be clicks. So that's the difference on one. So you can go there, MLM Leads. Second source, Udemy. Udemy Solo Ads. Udemy Solo Ad is a set of vendors pretty much where you can go in and buy solo ads from. So if someone wants to, let's just say here, so let me log in here, mines. Make sure my stuff has been acting all crazy. Pretty much here's Udemy. These are solo ad vendors here, and these are people that pretty much will offer their lists, and you can. I've used William. He's a good guy. Pretty much they offer their list, and they'll send your link out to other people, so that way you can get leads and sales. So let me kind of go in him. Okay, I'm gonna show you how this works here, so you can see how simple this is. See, there's a link already right there. So this is one that I've actually already used. So if I wanted to say I want top tier traffic, so this is for Udemy because Udemy is only for the United States, and I want 100 visitors. So my price is $55, and you just put your link there. Okay. If you want, I don't think he goes lower than that, but pretty much you would just play with this bar. So he got some good deals. You want 300 clicks and 159 for 300 visitors. So this is how you pretty much work your leads here. This is how you go in and you send them your link and you add it to cart and you pay for it. That's going to start generating traffic. That's going to start getting people into your business. Now, one other thing that I do offer is an incentive that I do utilize, and it's called Advertising Boost. Advertising Boost pretty much allows me to get free vacations. So when I'm able to give away the free vacations, that allows people to pretty much take a look at my business as far as whatever that I'm offering. So if I'm saying, hey, you know, if for the next people that are looking at my business, I'm going to give you a free vacation to Daytona Beach, then I'm able to enter in there. Once they do it, I'm able to enter information and send them their vacation voucher. Okay. Now, along with that here as well, you're going to get some Instagram ads, YouTube advertising, and Facebook advertising, just to help you along the way. You're also going to get some extra videos and things like that that help you. So let's just say, I want to show you how powerful this is, why I say it's a cool thing. So making money online. So making money online, making money. We're going to say, let's look for some credit. Let's look for credit, generic credit repair. Okay, let's go into this video. So this is because we're talking about MyEcon. Okay, so we're talking about MyEcon here, and I said, you know, pretty much I wanted to do an ad or something like that, or you wanted to do an ad. This is a video that we have strictly for the credit repair side of it here. So once it pulls up here, you guys can take a look. Let's hit play. Okay, so that's a cool video, just kind of breaking it down. I mean, just saying what you're going to get. But this is something I do utilize. With this, I'm able to also offer people that sign up with me in my program, I'm able to offer them access to this as well. So that's where my user accounts are, where I can actually have other users that can utilize this and can actually have access to a lot of the same things that I'm actually offering as well. So this is one of my incentive programs. And also when you join me in programs as well, I do give you a free social media ads training on top of the capture page systems that you're going to pretty much get as well. Here's the training too that I'm actually going to be providing to you as well. So this is actually something that I pay for out of my own pocket here, and pretty much want to give you guys access to a lot of the training here, just to kind of cover some of the basic things: Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Instagram stories, Twitter videos, Bing ads, YouTube ads, just to name some of the things here that you're going to get additional along with just from joining me in any of my programs. So if you join me in Easy One Up, guys, that is a cool program. Like I said, you can make a lot of money in that. I'm going to give you access to this. If you join me in MyEcon and you want to utilize that system, you can make a lot of money with that system as well. So like I said, the Income Shift Pro is the way to go. You want to have your team to do the same exact thing. You want to make everything duplicatable for your team. Your team get the same exact system. Once you've gotten comfortable enough with making your own pages, that's when you start shooting videos about your pages, letting people know what you're doing and how you're doing it. Okay, so this is the way that you can make a quick $250 to $500 a week, possibly a day online, being honest here with these programs. So I'm going to leave a link for everything at the bottom, guys. I gave you pretty much lead sources where you can go put your leads right away on autopilot. Different things as far as Facebook groups we went over in the beginning on the other video. So everything that you need to be successful is all here. So you just need to lock in. Alright, so I'm going to wrap this video on up. You guys hit that subscribe button, that like button. It's your boy Jay. I'm out. Peace.